Back in March, the Lehigh Valley Health Network announced that major renovations would be made to its existing hospital on East Broad Street in Hazleton. These are some of the before photos. Yesterday, the hospital unveiled the first phase of those new renovations, its first modernized floor. The top floor features upgrades to enhance patient privacy and comfort in a safe and welcoming environment.
Part of the renovations for our med-surg pediatric floor included new flooring, new paint on the walls, new case working. They put glass around the nurses station to help suppress noise, increase privacy. Some of the new technology we've also installed is we're moving our telemetry floor up here, so we're now able to remotely monitor our heart patients. And we also installed a pediatric monitoring system. So when our pediatric patients come back on board, we'll have a security system installed as well.
For the last decade or more, we have made significant improvements in the healthcare that's provided to our community. We have an award-winning MI alert program in our ED. We're a primary stroke center. We're in U.S. News and World Report for our stroke care, as well as our heart failure care and our heart attack care. So I think that all speaks to the commitment that we've made to providing the best care possible for people in the Hazleton area.
The biggest change is that all double rooms are being converted to private rooms. The renovations will continue with the 5th floor, and there will be a groundbreaking for an expanded emergency room sometime next month. The newly remodeled 7th floor will be open to patients next week.